Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever received a DocuSign template from someone else and needed to find its template ID, you know it can feel a bit tricky, but don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to check the template ID in the Shared with Me section of DocuSign step by step, so you can do it in no time. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official DocuSign website. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that has access to the shared templates. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. On the main menu, usually located on the left side of your screen, you'll see a tab called Templates. Click on it to see all the templates that are available to you. Now, focus on the Shared with Me section. This is where templates shared by others will appear. Browse through the list and click on the template you want to check. When you open the template, you'll be taken to its detail page. Here you'll find all the important information about the template, including the template ID. It's usually easy to spot and clearly labeled as template ID. To copy it, simply highlight the ID, right-click, and select Copy or note it down for reference. This template ID can now be used for integrations, sending envelopes, or for any internal tracking you need. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully located the template ID in the Shared with Me section of DocuSign. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step DocuSign tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.